How to set Microsoft Teams status. First, you want to simply open the Microsoft Teams application, and inside your Microsoft Teams you want to simply tap on your profile picture over here, and by doing so you'd be able to see an option called status message. Over here you'd be able to tap on set status message, and here you'd be able to type it out your message over here, and once you tap on this tick icon you would have successfully set your message on here. After that, if you want to change it as well, you can simply tap on this status message again and you'd be able to change it again. And this is how you set up your status on Microsoft Teams. If you want to show people, and if you want to show when people message me out, and here you'd be able to see an option called show when people message me as well. If you turn it on, you'd be able to see when people message you. After that, you'd be able to set a clear date as well. If you select it like 1 hour or 4 hours and tap on this tick icon, the typed it out status will be deleted after that particular hour. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.